what would you do if I gave up for you my whole life just to have you there? Would you take me for granted? If I can move on, leave me calm, just wait away. Well, I'm sorry I can't be yours, and I can only take this last resort. No need this if I can't be yours. Why should I try to be part of